Okay. So to sum up no the discussions of our presenter no, thank you again sir no for that comprehensive and thought-provoking discussion. Your presentation highlighted how a shared vision unites stakeholders and set a direction that transcend a day-to-day operation. So it reminded us that a vision must be both inspiring and attainable, no? Encouraging schools to look beyond immediate challenges toward long-term transformation. So, our presenter emphasized that the mission statement provides the operational backbone of the institution because by clearly articulating the school purpose, it ensures that every activity, curricular or co-curricular, and administrative support the overarching vision, no? This alignment is important for accountability and continuous improvement. I particularly appreciate no the discussion on goal setting as a strategic tool. No, goals convert ideas into measurable actions, allowing administrator to monitor progress and make evidence-based adjustment. Linking these goals with performance indicators as required by CHED, by DepEd, by TESDA standard ensures that institutions remain competitive and responsive to national education priorities. Another example of schools revising their vision and mission to integrate digital transformation and inclusive education were timely, no? Illustrate how educational institution can stay relevant in an era of rapid technological and social change because again, adaptability is indeed a hallmark no, of effective leadership. Another key takeaways is the importance of stakeholder involvement, as I mentioned earlier. No, when teachers, parents, students, and community partners participate in shaping the vision and mission, they develop a sense of ownership that drives commitment and collaboration. So the participatory process also foster transparency and trust. No? So the integration of legal and policy framework, including RA 9155 and related CHED and TESDA issuance, reinforces the point that vision and mission are not merely inspirational. They must also comply with national education standard and support government priorities such as quality assurance and lifelong learning. So, as education leaders and future administrators, it is your responsibility, our responsibility, not to communicate and embody this guiding statement. Posting them on walls is not enough. We must live them daily through decisions, policies, and the culture we nurture within our school. So, and then, today, discussion remind us that crafting and sustaining a powerful vision, mission, and set of school goals is an ongoing journey. Take it of it. No, it requires reflection, it requires collaboration, and steadfast commitment to excellence. Let us carry forward this insight as we plan for institutions that not only educate but also inspire, transform, and lead in the ever-changing world. Okay, so I think that's it for this time.